Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting Program. Now let's talk about how we can sign up for Bugcrowd. For signing up at Bugcrowd, open the Google Chrome and type Bugcrowd and hit enter. Open this first link of bugcrowd.com. As soon as the link opens, search for the option which says Hack with Us. Click on Hack with Us. It will open a new web page which will enable you to sign up. Okay, now sign up and fill in the details. So while signing up, make sure that you create a strong password. Let me give you an example. For example, your name is John. So in that case, you can use the following password to make it a strong one. Use special characters, lower cases, upper cases, and digits. So your password can be hashtag $, capital J, O, H, N, at, maybe first 4 digit of a mobile phone number, that can be 9899, then again $, hashtag. So this is a kind of password which you can create, and it will take years and years to crack this password. Make sure that you create such type of passwords. Now as I have filled in the details, I'll just tick the I agree to terms and condition and will apply for sign in. Okay, so username is unavailable. In that case, I'll just edit my username and will add 09 to it and hit sign up. Voila! Now they have sent a confirmation mail to my email. Particularly, just to show you how to create an account on bugcrowd.com, I have used a temporary mail, and I'll just check over here. Yeah, over here I have received a mail saying confirmation instruction. I'll just confirm my account, and over here just fill in the details. Finally, we have created an account, signed in successfully. Great. Agree and accept. And my current rank is 120,563. Now, as we have created our account, let's explore it. Let's go to the program section. In this section, you will find all those vulnerabilities which you need to test and where you have to find the bug. And they have also divided all these bugs into different categories. If you'll see, first we have reward. In this part, you will find all those vulnerabilities which are paid. If you look at the first vulnerability, they are paying between $250 to $2,100, and this one is paying between $150 to $3,000+. And see, over here they're also paying $15,000, and that is more than 10 lakh. So if you are able to find vulnerabilities of this section, you will get paid and you will earn a hell lot of money. If we move to the points only section, you will find there are 25 websites who are providing you points on the basis of vulnerability that you will find. And these points are very crucial. For example, if you are appearing for an interview at Dell Technologies, and over there, if you will add it in your CV, in your resume, that you have a good rank in Bugcrowd, and also you have successfully secured a point by finding a vulnerability in Dell Technologies, in such cases you will have a better edge over other candidates and you will definitely ace the interview and will get the job. Thank you for watching this tutorial.